Kenilworth Gardens, Metra High School, and just 2 blocks away from Harper Elementary School. You're gonna love this one.
Welcome to 2038 Greenwood Avenue in Wilmette, just a block from Malincrot Community Center.
Tree-lined streets, a tight-knit community, and less than 1 mile from the Kenilworth Metra train station.
Come on in. Bright windows and hardwood floors welcome you.
The living room and dining room flows seamlessly, leading you into the charming sunroom.
This quaint kitchen is big on function, perfect for whipping up a delicious meal.
Upstairs, there are 3 spacious bedrooms, all with big windows, ceiling fans, and amazing closet space. And here's a surprise bonus room perfect for home office.
Plus a conveniently attached garage and a finished basement. And this brick charmer has great bones
And so much potential.
and, of course,
You're right here in the middle of Wilmette.
if you're interested in scheduling a showing, reach out.
And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing North Shore home tours.